everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me, Juliana. Today I will show you how to make these beautiful Ankara patches or appliqued. Beautiful Ankara patches. You can make this with your Ankara fabric, any color of Ankara. You guys know Ankara is a big brand fabric, and it's known for its beautiful elaborated designs. So if you want to know how to get this done, keep on watching. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me, Juliana. Today I'll be showing you how you can DIY this beautiful Ankara appliqued or patches from your Ankara fabric. I will show you how you can cut out this from your Ankara fabric and have yourself your own appliqued. You can make it by yourself. It's very easy. So let's go straight to it. Here you can see all you need to get for this tutorial is your Ankara fabric. Go to any of the store out there, ask for African stores, they have a lot of them. And the Ankara fabric is known for its elaborated designs. They have huge designs, beautiful designs of any pattern. So you can choose any of your choice, any color of your fabric, anything, and then go with it. Make sure it has a good big pattern. Some of them have beautiful flowers or block or whatever. So once you have that, you need to get also your interfacing. This is interfacing. You can see it's like pepper, but it has glue. So the essence of this is to it will help to keep the Ankara firm, make it strong before you place it on your fabric or use it for any design. So, and you also need your pins and your iron. So now you can see here we have this beautiful pattern. So all you have to do first, look at your pattern and cut it out. Follow the line of you see the lines. Cut round these lines gradually. You have to exercise patience, little patience, because if you do it fast, you can ruin the pattern. So cut down your pattern, cut it out first. Like you can see here, I already cut out my pattern. So all you have to do now, after cutting it out, all you have to do now is take your interfacing. You see the interfacing has two sides. One side has a glue, and the other side is like plain, rough, plain paper, like a towel, paper towel. So all you have to do, check the good side of your fabric. The already cut out fabric. Check the good side. Place exactly the good side of your fabric on the side of interfacing that has glue. When you look at it, you see the glue. Place it like so. The essence of placing it is to help it, when you iron it, it will glue to your fabric and make it stiff, make it stable. When you're gonna use it for on any of your fabric for design, it will stay. So that's the essence of this. So when you place it like so, follow the line of grain, line of the design again. Like I said before, the way you cut it out from your Ankara fabric. Follow exact line gradually, like so. You cut gradually. You have to take time, carefully do this, because if you don't, you ruin the whole thing. You ruin even your interfacing. It's quite expensive out there. Look for it in any of the fabric store. I got this one from Fabric Land in Canada. Those of you that lives in Canada or Toronto precise, I got this from Fabric Store. So first of all, go around the circle. Like this is like a circle. Yours might be maybe like a block or anything, animals or any shape. Just follow gradually and cut it out. To make it easy, you start cutting like so. So after cutting out the shape with the interfacing, the next thing to do is to use your pin. I already cut out this. You can see I already cut it out. Sorry, this one. Yeah, I already cut out the whole thing. I will go ahead and finish some part of it. make sure the glue side is facing the wrong side of your fabric, because if you place it on the wrong side of the interfacing, you ruin everything. When you try to flip it to the right side, it will not match because the pattern is different. It's totally different. That's why it's very important, before you place you cut your interfacing, make sure you're placing the glue side. The glue side, the side that has a gluey edges. Make sure you are gluing it facing the wrong side of your fabric, so that when you're going to glue it, it will go straight. It will go directly to your fabric and the glue when you're gonna press it with iron. So now I'm almost done cutting the interfacing with my fabric. So yes, I finished cutting it with my fabric. So now you can see I have the interfacing already at the back. All we do now is to remove the pin. You make sure you use the pin. You can use the pin to, you see how I use the pin to hold everything in order to make it stable for you and easier for you to. So after this, place it on any of your ironing surface. Place it like so. Even if you don't have the interface, you didn't cut it correctly, after ironing it, you can still gradually trim off the excess edges, any excess edges, any rough edges that is left. So now make sure your iron is hot. You iron down directly on your applique, the cutout applique or your patches. Make sure your iron setting is on high, the highest heat. No, you don't need steam iron, just your regular hot iron. But be careful not to burn your fabric. Be careful not to burn your fabric. Yeah, this side is almost, you see what happened. You have to like sorry, excuse me, I almost burned my fabric here. You have to be careful when you are doing this. But if it's so much, if it's too hot, like if it shows that maybe like your fabric wants to burn, just use hot water. Use water immediately and spray on the fabric. That will help to straighten it up. Use a little water, spray on it. Yeah, you see, now you have yourself an applique. You can use this on any of your dress or your t-shirt. See, it's ready to go. See, it's firm. It's much stronger than this. This is too light, but this one is you see how it feels. So now this one is ready. You can use this on your t-shirt, your white t-shirt, or any of your plain t-shirts. You can use this as well on your dress. Any of your dresses that has a like plain colored dress, you can use it. It doesn't matter. Once it matches the color or you like the pattern, you can fix it and then go about how to arrange the pattern. So this is the end of it. It's a very simple video. So I would like you guys to give it a try. It's very simple. Rather than buying yourself, spending your money out there, you can make yourself one. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and click the like button. Thank you. See you guys next time. Bye.